Hello everyone, this is Krishna Gupta and welcome to the lecture series on human-computer interaction. In previous lecture I have discussed about contextual inquiry and its principles, levels. Now in this lecture I will continue with the research-based design. So let's start the research-based design concept. So first of all it have 4 points: contextual inquiry, participationary design, product design, and last one is software prototype as hypothesis. So we will discuss one by one. First is contextual inquiry. So contextual inquiry, simple context and challenges are there, and it completely depends on benchmarking, and it have 4 points: who, why, what, and where. And it transfer to the second step. This is participationary design. So in participationary design, it depends on prior knowledge or information and followed by the people or people concepts. It includes lightweight prototype or design workshop. I have already mentioned in this. And then third step is product design. So in product design, simple design or simple design products and way to create using use cases or different iteration concepts. And last one is software prototype as a hypothesis. So in this, find deliver function software, and it have version like beta 0.1 and 0 concepts. So that's all the research based design concept. And next one is context of use and behavioral. So in this we have 4 points again. So first and second and third and last one is fourth point. So in first point, why and how to fix, it is related to the qualitative. And second one is what people do. So in this simply depend on behavior of the people. And third one is how many and how much, so it is related to the quantitative. And last one is what people say. So in this completely attitude of human or attitude of person, and it vary from person to person. So it is a context of use. And next one is who. Who is simply who will take part in the experiment. So there we have example of a student. There we have 3 students. First is participant number 1 and 2 and then 3. So in this, first participant traits are outgoing, funny, confident, and participant number 2 personality traits are smart, shy, reserved, and third participant personality traits are creative, social, and charismatic. So these are the categories and thinkings of different students and participants, and they will part in the experiment. And next one is simple background information and interest of the particular participant. So first half part represent the background information of 3 participants, and last we have interest of the participants according to the background information. So first of all, first participant have information like age 20, gender male, course is music journalism, and year 3. And next one is age 22, gender female, and course is film, and year 2. And next participant number 3 have age 21, gender female, and course fashion promotion, and year 3. So according to these participant and background information, we have different interest list. So first is related to the music journalism, that is music, fashion, and socializing. And next one is related to the film, that is current affairs, media, and screenwriting. And last one have the information about fashion promotion, that have fashion, business, art, and craft. So these all are the description of participants number 1, 2, 3. And next we have point what. So what happen when students perform experiments? So simply there are some points related to the what concept. So first is asked to take part in the investigation, and next one is explanation of the participants, and last third one is stopwatch started to record the time it's take them to their digits and into phone. And next is note are taken on the participants reaction, comments, and mistakes. and last one is ask for the feedback. And then we have how is how the participant interacted with the keypad. So simply there we have some points. First is look at the phone first, and both thumb and fingers use. And next one is looking at the numbers on the pieces of paper and whilst typing. And next one is repeating the numbers aloud, and next one is switching hand to hold phone. So that's all about the contextual inquiry and its different task and context and related to the contextual inquiry concept. Next one is held the phone centered in the both hands, and looking for the familiar buttons. Shut down the looked at the number first, and looking at the keypad or first before the numbers, and standing learning over the phone. So different tasks we have already performed on the phone and different keypad. Next one is inconsistencies. So inconsistencies have what? Inconsistencies occur during the experiments like communication difficulties, error according to the typing condition. And next one is speaking during the task, asking questions. So that's all about the contextual inquiry, and simply we can say contextual inquiry is the interview, observing and the questioning, answering concept. So that's all about the contextual inquiry, and thanks for watching.